Hey guys, it's the Sparkle Girls, and today we are going to be doing the cotton candy versus real challenge. I think 3 or 4, I don't know.
You guys comment down below if
you know which one, how many we've done.
And you guys subscribe.
Make sure to subscribe. Remember, we are going to be doing
subscribe in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Done. If you can do it in that much time, comment down below. Done when you are done. Whatever. Anyway, back we go to the video. So, anyway, we are basically going to be doing it like the other videos. You know, we're going to put a dish on top of a plate, and then we're going to open them up and see what we have inside. If it's cotton candy,
and this time,
then
there's going to be some serious gross stuff.
By having latte, which I don't like coffee that
much.
No,
Lyla, we can't tell. Don't worry, guys. We're not going to have latte.
Latte, pickle, and hot jalapeno.
Lyla.
We've upgraded the steaks, and this is going to be a complicated level. So anyway, let's get to round 1. Okay, guys, so it is round 1, and we're going to be doing rock, paper, scissors, shoot to see who gets to keep or switch first.
Yeah.
But we're only doing that one time, and then we'll just go into pattern, you know, Charlotte, me, Charlotte, me. Whatever, or me, Charlotte. So ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, so Charlotte won that, so she gets to pick which one she wants. She wants that one. I get this one. Okay. I don't know what it is. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Yay, I got the cotton candy. Wait. Oh, it's the churro. Tastes weird. Like, it tastes crunchy. And you just like a bite and how it tastes.
Sounds yours.
I know.
Yeah, this tastes. Wait, Lyla, did you try it?
I haven't tried the yogurt yet. That tastes weird.
Yeah.
I feel like churro pieces and yogurt. I don't know what it tastes like.
Yeah. Okay, guys. And now it's time for
round number 2. Okay, guys, so it's round number 2. Two. Wait, I'm holding up 4. Anyway, it's round number 2. Just 2. Anyway, back we. So basically, last round's churros. I feel like the cotton candy tasted weird, and I really don't know why churro pieces would be in yogurt. Now it's my turn to choose, and I'm gonna choose the cake pan one because I got luck with that one last time, so I'm gonna do that again.
2, 3.
Okay.
I got cotton candy. Yo, pickle.
Okay, well, I feel like the cotton candy's gonna taste bad anyway. I don't want to taste any bite of this pickle.
It literally tastes like
I'm gonna lick the pickle. I'm not eating it. I don't like that. Why don't you? I'm taking the smallest pieces off of these. I feel like this tastes more terrible than the actual ice cream and than the actual pickle. I mean,
it kind of tastes as good.
I better not get the hot jalapeno. I thought I had good luck with it.
Time for dish number 3.
But before we get to dish number 3, we're going to do actually no challenge. We're going to wait for the hot jalapeno one to do that, so stay tuned. Let's get to it. Okay, so it's Charlotte's turn to choose this round. But last time, like, I feel like the cotton candy tasted more terrible than the real food for like the first time ever. One time I feel like the cotton candy tasted a bit less bad. But I feel like this is gonna be a banana.
1, 2, 3.
Wait.
Jelly beans!
I'm so lucky!
I got 2 jelly beans connected.
It's just outside.
The white one's a mystery.
This is the most delicious thing I've ever tasted this entire round. Thank you, Dad. It tastes so much better than pickle. Thank you. Hopefully these aren't pickle jelly beans. That would be terrible. I feel like just like taking the entire bowl and just eating all the jelly beans and then being like, here you go. Here's your plate of jelly beans. I'm literally going to be eating this all day long. If I could, I would. This is delicious. Okay. Wait,
I'm making a sandwich.
There you go. So, it's making a sandwich, and we were going to get to round number 4. Oops, okay,
Time.
Okay, guys, so it's round number 4, and last time was this. It was a treat. So, yeah.
Time for dish number 4.
I'm just drinking so much water because last round we just got all over my mouth. So I'm picking the circle one this time. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, so this is biting bananas, and it seems like there's
now
no
we're
lucky
actually
round
both
with this.
tied. This one isn't actually too bad. There's like gel and slime.
It tastes like actual banana. Just like the banana's made of sugar, but they have like banana food in here.
Yeah.
Like, could I just like save this entire thing of cotton candy? Like, we could just save all the cotton candies we want, and then all the cotton candy I don't like, we will throw away. But if you guys want them, just comment down below. If you want like hot jalapeno cotton candy, we'll for sure give you that. I think that we're done this round. Wait, I want to take a big piece of this. Okay, so you guys are round number 5. Okay, guys, so it is round number 5. Okay, I'm showing 10 again. So I mean number 5. Number 5. But it is Charlotte's turn to pick this round. Last round was a treat. The round before that was a treat. This round, I feel like it's going to be the hot jalapeno one. But at least there'll be more rounds after this, and I know we still have some good ones left.
That one.
So Charlotte's going to choose her lovely one, and I'm going to be choosing my old cake one.
Yay!
It's the coffee!
1, 2, 3. Yeah. 2 cups of coffee.
I don't really want the coffee. Like, I don't really like coffee. It actually tastes like really, really good. Like the latte.
Like this coffee actually doesn't taste like coffee. It kind of just tastes like
the
regular.
latte one just like
Tastes like chocolate milk.
it tastes like chocolate milk, but it also tastes like coffee. Try it. I didn't get anything.
Take a sip.
Lyla, it's okay. Like, doesn't it kind of just like...
Hey, Lily. Here you go. Make sure not to save any of that coffee.
I want it.
I don't like
I
coffee.
want the coffee.
You can save yours and put it over there.
Yay.
I want to take like this way. So we'll see you guys at round number 6. Okay, guys, so it's round number 6. It is my turn to pick, and hopefully it's not hot jalapeno. I don't like jalapenos, and I don't like coffee, and since we just had coffee last round, it better not be hot jalapeno. I really hope it's like a cupcake or something like that. So my dad's bringing out them both, and
Okay,
last round I
Lyla,
had
try.
luck, but I'm gonna go with the circle one this round. I've had a bit of luck. Just like
Hold on, I need to smell it.
I think it might be cupcake.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, it's
Pancakes.
I like saw mine.
So Lyla has 4 points, and I have, how many points do I have?
I think you have like 3 or 2. I'll just go with you
What
having 3. Sure. These are cold.
a kind of cold.
It was like 5 minutes ago, but whatever.
Does it taste good?
It's like really delicious. Like, ow! I just bit my finger. Okay, we will see you guys at round number 7. Bye. Okay, so we just figured out that we have only 2 more options left since it is round 7 and there are 8
We have 3 more.
cotton candies. Okay. But basically,
Wait, we're number 6.
no, we
And
just
now-
did number
no,
6.
no.
We just did number 6. We're number 7 and there's 8 different flavors.
No.
Okay, guys.
There's 8.
Yeah, so we're on round number 7. So
That one.
hopefully this one's hot jalapeno. I just want to get it over quicker. Is it hot jalapeno?
So it looks like cotton candy. 1, 2. Wait.
No. I'm gonna take like this small lick. Like it tastes like a normal pepper.
Take a bite.
I gotta take a bite. I take the smallest bite ever.
The cotton candy still. The cotton candy tastes as good.
This is burning my mouth.
Try it. I will roll it up into a ball for you.
Okay.
It's tiny.
It doesn't taste that bad.
Yeah, Lyla.
It's not that hot. It's not as hot as
It's
I thought it
cotton
would be.
candy. Is this my piece?
That's yours. This one.
Yum.
An actual cotton candy tastes so spicy. Like, I honestly wish to have the hot jalapeno more than the cotton candy. Okay, let's get into round number 8, final round. Let's go. Okay, Charlotte has been recently screaming for the jelly beans, so we need to finish this video up. I know which one we're doing next. We're obviously doing the cupcake. If you know what's a small version of cake, then you know what we are doing next. I'm not going to actually say the actual thing. It is my turn to choose. I'm choosing this one. I honestly don't care.
1, 2, 3. Cupcake.
Oh, you got that like. Oh, look at this. It's like swarm like chocolate cupcakes.
Chocolate cupcake.
Oh, so delicious. Charlotte. Delicious.
Follow one.
Okay, so guys, I won this challenge. Charlotte lost, and
But don't we have a surprise at the end?
the punishment is that Charlotte will have to have the cotton candy that I pick out for her, that I think that she hated, she loved, whatever, and she has to eat a big bite of it. So yeah, that's the punishment.
I love the jalapeno cotton candy.
Sure, you guys, I will spicier than the actual jalapeno. And guys, we'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, so as you guys know, this was the end of the video. And as you guys know, we always remind you of the flavors. So we have churro, we have dill pickle, we have caramel latte, we have jalapeno, we have cupcake, jelly bean, Biden's bananas, and pancakes and maple syrup. So basically, I get to choose 2 of these, and I get to choose one of them, and I'm gonna put them on this plate, and Charlotte will have to eat it no matter what, and she has to take one big bite out of it. So we're gonna see how she reacts to it. So she's gonna close her eyes when I pick the one for her, and I'm just gonna put a big glob of it on her plate.
I really want the hot jalapeno.
Charlotte's just being like, I'm not scared of the hot jalapeno. Okay, we're just gonna like.
We're done with it already.
What?
We're done with it.
Okay, just give me a minute.
Can I open
You
up?
can look now. Have a fun big bite of it. What the? I got it. Okay, so feel free to take a ginormous bite of this one. You have to take a ginormous bite, so like. Yeah. Okay guys, so that was the end of this video. We reminded you of all these flavors. Make sure to check out our other videos on the channel, and we will be posting one for Christmas. Shayla, let me talk and finish the video, and then you can torture me with the hot jalapeno cupcakes. So basically guys, we are going, so in the Christmas and Halloween, we will be posting videos for the rest of the holidays, so stay tuned for any holiday. We will have a new video posting, so stay tuned for definitely those videos, and we will see you guys next time. But before we leave,
Lyla,
we have to do the thumbs up and notification bell challenge. We're gonna see if you can hit all of those in 5 seconds. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you did it in that time, comment down below right now. Done. And if you can do it 2 dones in a row. And we will see you guys next time.